This is another one-off. This is another Brockrand one-off. This time just starring me, because I don't really know where Hodat is, but this one's gonna be pretty short. It's like noon, so obviously this isn't gonna be me slap happy as shit. But I still think we should talk about Blockland sound pack. Funny Blockland. What do we got here? Hello guys, today I'm showing my first add-on I made. Funny Blockland! It is an add-on with funny Blockland sounds. There are only 2 sounds, but I will add more. This is great. This is the template everyone should follow. When you release an add-on, you should release it with only two sounds. All right. So what do we got here? All right. So we got client_funny Blockland. This is good, I guess. Admin.mp3 and jump.wave. For some reason, download 0. I'm gonna be the first person to do this. I'm doing this for you guys. So here's our first problem. I want to download all this stuff at once. I don't want to download them one at a time. So okay, I go to select, 4 items selected, download. Oh no! Bulk download multiple files and folders. Requires an upgrade to MediaFire Pro. Why can't I just download this as a zip? Why is this a folder? I hit download and I can't download it all. I can only download them one at a time. So that's what I'm gonna have to do. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to add them to my own zip file. This is stupid. I'm so glad you did it this way. This is beyond the best. Made by Portify. That's not a name check. By the way, you could have included a name check or a description file and not had to have done that, but whatever. Hello guys, today I'm showing my Blockland sound pack. You can't use it on other servers. It'll only work on your server. I fucking figured that. God damn it, this is so stupid. If you are having issues without the sounds in servers, you may need to do this. First, start a game. Do single player. Jump 2 times, you will hear the sound. Then leave the game and join the server. It will work. This sounds like fucking like if you say Beetlejuice's name 3 times, he'll appear. Like this is like it's like jump 2 times and you will hear the sound. Like this is a fucking, we could turn this into a Blockland creepypasta. This is a Blockland urban legend. So we've actually got it installed now. No thanks to you, Mr. Marinus, for actually fucking packaging your add-ons correctly. I'm glad you did that. Okay, so let's start a game. Let's actually do it. Let's do the way he said to do it. So we're gonna try his little urban legend here. Let me make sure I can't select it because it is a client. Okay. Oh, that's right. It has no name check, so there's no idea. It has no idea if it's in here. Cause see, I assume client add-ons can be. All right, well, let's try his fucking method. Nobody wants to modify their sounds. Okay, nobody gives a shit about sound. In fact, most people, or at least me personally, I turn off my sound a lot of the time when I'm playing because I don't want to hear it. I don't need to hear sound in order to build bricks. This is not an add-on that anyone asked for. All right, here we go. All right, so this is the moment of truth. Are we ready? I jumped twice. I didn't hear shit. That's the default. That is the default jump sound. You've done nothing. You've created an add-on that does nothing. This is fantastic. So let's actually see what the fuck it was. So here was the jump sound. This is what we should have heard. Oh my god, is it just the Mega Man sound? Is that all that is? Or is that not even the Mega Man sound? That's just a fucking, did you get that like from a website? Like one of those like sound generator websites that just makes the old chiptune sounds? Just like, wow, that's so funny. What's admin?
And his name is John C.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What's the point? What's the goddamn point? Yeah, package new server sense. Okay. Alright, fine. Funny Blockland Marinus. Funny Blockland sounds, I guess. Yeah. Save. Yeah, sure. Whatever. Alright, let's try that now. Now it's got a name check, it's got a description. Let's give it a fucking whirl. Like, did you test it? I'm assuming you tested. That's where your jump twice shit comes from. So, but that's like, what do you mean jump? Why you gotta jump twice? It should work the first time you jump. Is it here? Client, it's not here. So clearly I did something wrong. Oh, that's right. I forgot these little things required. Scroll down. Client talk animation. Still clearly. Alright, what? Let's give him the benefit of the doubt. Launch the game one more time. I'll jump twice. This isn't funny, by the way. Like, there's no joke here. It's just a meme. One's a meme, and the other one is just like a NES, like a classic video game sound, and that's like... That's a joke to you? I'm jumping twice. I don't hear anything now. My jump sound is completely... It's gone now. Do I have to play... This is stupid. Now apparently I've broken my jump sound. Yeah, I'm still getting sounds, just not jumping. That's great. Let's try it. Let's make a... Alright, I jumped way more than twice. Let's try, yeah, you know, all that. Let's try making it an internet game. I became an admin. I didn't hear anything. Was that supposed to play John Cena.mp3? Because it didn't. If anything, as far as I can tell, this is just a broken add-on. Like, what the fuck? What the absolute fuck? What was the point? I can't find any reason. He will add more. That's a lie. That is a fucking lie. He won't add more. He has got nothing to add. This is bullshit. This is all bullshit. Fuck this.